Hi everybody, I got the 4-in-1 Evod vape kit from eBay, Dizney Vape. I bought it from Dizney Vape and it comes with everything you see here. I'll show you, I'll demonstrate how everything works and tell you what everything is and let you know how to get going with it. Charger. Screws onto the end of the battery until it's snug. Push it in, the light turns green, turns red when it's charging, and it'll turn green when it's done. When it's finished, you take it off, and to unlock the battery 5 times quickly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the lights up and the battery's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's locked again. That's how you lock and unlock it. The first thing I'll show is the wax tank. These kits, Dizney Vape coils, Dizney Vape kits come with a dual crystal coil, which heats up a little slower and a little more evenly than the single coil. This tank is for wax. You use your wax tool here, put your wax there, dab it on your coil. Put the globe on and attach it to your battery. Then simply push the button 5 times again to start it. And you push it 1 time and you're ready to go. That's your wax tank. Next tank is the vape tank. This is for e-juice, e-liquid, nicotine juice, that type of thing. This one you fill from the bottom, unscrew it. This is the coil. You fill it through here with your e-liquid. You don't put it down the center tube though. Put it right around the tube so it doesn't go through the hole and end up out here. You fill it up about halfway, 3/4 of the way up the window, and place the coil back in, tighten it up. Again, put it on the battery, and there you have your vape tank. The next thing is the dry herb tank. This is for obviously dry herb, bud, whatever you want to call it. Bud goes in there, spring holds it down against the coil. I recommend 1 hit at a time on this. If you overload it, it just crams everything down into the coil, and it's really hard to clean out. It gets stuck. So put just enough in there loosely for 1 hit at a time. I find it works the best. Again, put that on the battery. And there it is. You got your dry herb tank. Next tank. This is the CBD oil, or honey oil, or wax, not wax, but any thick CBD oil or THC oil, any thick oil will work in that. You simply take the cap off, pull this plunger out, and fill it with a little plastic syringe, like the kind you get for dog medicine or something, for your printer. You fill it up there, put your cap back on, remove the little holder, and that also goes on your battery. And there you go, CBD tank. In this kit, I recommend picking up the extra battery. The batteries last quite a while, at least a day on moderate use, but it's always nice to have another battery charged. Since there's so many tanks, you might have a battery for your wax tank and a battery for your dry herb, and you can take each pin separately. I find that's convenient. But anyway, that's the kits. That's how they work. Any questions, go to DizneyVape.com. Thank you.